Now 1.5 operations on real numbers. You have learned in earlier classes that rational numbers satisfy the commutative, associative and distributive laws for addition and multiplication. Moreover, if we add, subtract, multiply or divide except by 0 two rational numbers, we still get a rational number. That is, rational numbers are closed with respect to addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. It turns out that irrational numbers also satisfy the commutative, associative and distributive laws for addition and multiplication. However, the sum, difference, quotients and products of irrational numbers are not always irrational. For example, root 6 plus in bracket minus root 6 into root 2 minus root 2 into root 3 into root 3 and root 17 by root 17 are rationals. Let us look at what happens when we add and multiply a rational number with an irrational number. For example, root 3 is irrational. What about 2 plus root 3 and 2 into root 3? Since root 3 has a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion, the same is true for 2 plus root 3 and 2 root 3. Therefore, both 2 plus root 3 and 2 into root 3 are also irrational numbers. Example number 12. Check whether 7 root 5, 7 by root 5, root 2 plus 21, pi minus 2 are irrational number or not. Root 5 is equal to 2.236, root 2 is equal to 1.4142 and dot dot dot, because it is non-terminating. Pi is equal to 3.1415 dot dot dot, non-repeating and non-terminating and non-repeating. 7 root 5 means you have to multiply this result by 7. You will get 15.652 dot dot dot. Root 2 7 by root 5 is equal to 7 root 5 by 5. You will multiply upside and downside by root 5. You will get here 7 root 5 by 5. So 7 root 5 is equal to 15.652 dot 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 divided by 5. Then it is 3.1304 dot dot dot. So and so on. Here root 2 plus 21. So whatever the result of root 2 is there, you have to just add 21. So it will be the 22.4142 and dot 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 so on. Similarly, here pi value is given minus 2. You have to do it. So this result will be the 1.1415 dot dot dot, non-terminating, non-repeating. So all these are non-terminating, non-recurring decimals. So all these are irrational numbers. Now let us see what generally happens if we add, subtract, multiply, divide, take square roots and even nth root of these irrational numbers, where n is any natural number. Let us look at some examples. Example number 13. Add 2 root 2 plus 5 root 2 and 2 root 2 plus minus 3 root 3. 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus root 2 minus 3 root 3 is equal to, you can rearrange 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 plus root 2 minus 3 3. So 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus root 3. This is 3 root 3 plus, and here it is 2 root 3. Example number 40. Here, first you have to break the, you have to remove the bracket. Then you put the same terms, root 2 here, root 2 there, root 3 there. So you can rearrange. So finally it is 3 root 2 and it is the 2 root 3. Example number 14. Multiply 6 root 5 by 2 root 5. 6 root 5 into 2 root 5, that is 6 into root 5 into 2 into root 5, that is 6 into 2 into root 5 into root 5, that is 12 into 5, that is 60. Divide 8 root 15 by 2 root 3. 8 root 15 by 2 root 3, that is 8 into 5 into 3 by 2 into root 3. Root 3 cross, you can cross it, and 2 is 4, so 4 root 5. These examples may lead you to expect the following facts, which are true. The sum or difference of a rational number and irrational number is irrational. The product or quotient of a non-zero rational number with an irrational number is irrational. If we add, subtract, multiply or divide two irrationals, the result may be rational or irrational. Again I am repeating, the sum or difference of a rational number and an irrational number is irrational. The product or quotient of a non-zero rational number with an irrational number is irrational. Third one, if we add, subtract, multiply or divide two irrationals, the result may be rational or irrational. Now, we turn our attention to the operation of taking square root of real numbers. Taking a square root of a real number. Recall that if a is a natural number, then root a is equal to b. Means b square is equal to a and b is greater than 0. The same definition can be extended for positive real numbers. Let a is greater than 0 and let a is greater than 0 be a real number, then root a is equal to b, means b square is equal to a and b is greater than 0. In section 1.2 we show how to represent root n for any positive integer n on the number line. We now show how to find root x for any given positive real number x geometrically. For example, let us find it for x is equal to 3.5. That is, we have to find root 3.5 geometrically.